With a half-inch drill, only you can easily fix the P0430 error code by yourself. It means your catalyst system. Efficiency is below the threshold near engine bank 2, which indicates that the catalytic converter is not functioning efficiently, so the vehicle is increasing the output of harmful pollutants. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty catalytic converter. Malfunctioning downstream oxygen sensor on bank 2. Exhaust leaks. Damaged wiring related to the oxygen sensors. Issues with the air-fuel mixture. Modify the oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter and P0430 by putting extra space between the sensor and the converter. And now getting the smart plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor, and then use a half-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, put them together and put back on the catalytic converter. This engine code appears in Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, Nissan, Dodge, Toyota, and many other vehicles. So here are the most practical solutions to fix the P0430 error code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.